All right, the workout for today is a 12-minute AMRAP. AMRAP stands for as many rounds as possible of doing these 4 different activities. We'll start off with 2 couch walks. It doesn't mean you walk across your couch there and back twice. Instead, you put your hands on the ground with your feet on the couch like in a plank position. Start at one edge of the couch, go to the other edge and back. That's 1. Then do it a second time. The second activity is 4 laps. Pick a spot in your basement. I'm just running from one corner of the basement to the other. There and back is once. Do that 4 times, followed by 6 reverse lunges. A reverse lunge sounds a bit strange, but what it is you put your back on the ground with your head kind of by a couch or some other object like that. Put your hands like this so your fingers are underneath the couch, and then take a pillow and put it kind of in your knee pit. Then lift your knees to your elbows. Once is 1 repetition. Followed by 8 jumping jacks. That's round 1. And then just keep on going to see how many rounds you can do in 12 minutes. One little tip you might want to try is grab a whiteboard of some kind like this. Draw a line down the middle somewhere. And then every time you do a round, just take your finger and swipe across. And you can see that you have done 1 round. All right, enjoy. All right, well done everyone, good job. Now, if you would like to increase the difficulty of that workout, there's a couple of different ways. Number 1, instead of doing a 12-minute AMRAP, make it 15. The other option you would have is increase each of these numbers. So instead of 2 couch walks, do 3. Instead of 4 laps, do 6. Instead of 6 reverse crunches, do 8, and instead of 8 jumping jacks, do 10, or increase it by a number that's higher than that. But make sure you're working out so that you're getting your heart rate up and what you're doing is working for you. All right, take care, well done.